G'day, I'm Brendan. It's nice and overcast here in Brisbane today, but still quite warm, so I've made the most of the cloudy sky and gotten out into the garden this morning. But the other day, my wife happened to come across some free banana trees, little ones, that we thought would go perfect in our garden along with the rest of our fruit trees. So on today's show, I thought I might pot it up and show you all how it's done. So, things we're going to need for today: a large pot. This one's a 32 litre pot. You wouldn't want any less than 25 litres for a fruit tree, but we're sticking with the 32 because it's a nice size and we'll be able to keep its growth contained in here. We've got some compost from our compost bin. Got a knife for cutting open some bags. Then a couple of bags of potting mix. A lot of people recommend using really good quality potting mix. We've got some cheaper stuff today only because we're mixing it up with some of our compost, which is going to bring it up to spec anyway. And we've got a bag of chicken manure. You can use horse manure, cow manure, whatever you like. This was just what was available to us this morning. So first thing we're going to do, and we got some water. Now, banana trees like nice, even, moist soil. They're pretty thirsty plants, so during the summer you're going to have to water them once, maybe twice a day, depending on how hot it is. Less in the winter, maybe once a week. They also, especially at this younger stage, are going to want a lot of nitrogen because they grow fairly rapidly. We're not going to get anything off this season, obviously, so we're just going to, the compost and the manure are going to make it really good, really promote its growth. So, to mix in the wheelbarrow, we're going to cut open the 2 bags of potting mix. Add in our bag of manure. And then we're going to use our water and water it in. You can water it at the ends, but this will just mean the water goes through the dirt right now, and it's going to give it a good chance of being healthy once it's transplanted. So that's starting to look pretty good. It's well mixed in. It's nice and damp. And so that's pretty good for putting the bananas in. Okay, so after all that, I've just realized that I've actually forgotten to put the compost in. So I'm going to do that quickly and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so that's now all mixed through. We're going to start shoveling the dirt into the pot. Now, we're going to want to make sure this pot is nice and full. There's a little level around here that you can see. We want it up to there once it's full, at least, with the plant in. So we're going to get it so it's just below where this will sit in, and then we're going to put some more around the top as well. So that's pretty close there. As you can see, the bottom of the plant's lined up with that ring there. So I'm going to put maybe another half a scoop in there. We'll chuck this in and then we'll fill around on top of it. You might want to make sure with these that the roots are nice and pointing down and outwards. That'll stop them from balling up and it'll help them spread through the pot and get a good foothold. And there we have it. You'll see there's not much room left in the top, but there's still enough for if it rains or anything that it'll keep the water around there. And that's nice and firm in there. And that's it. That's one banana plant in a pot. You can grow this. Hopefully next season we'll actually get some bananas off it. If you've enjoyed this video, please tell your friends, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.